Looking at number 10, two lighthouses, A and B, are known to be exactly 20 miles apart on a north-south line. A and B, 20 miles apart on a north-south line. I like it when the instructions are very clear about how to draw the picture. A ship's captain at S measures, I bet that's supposed to be an angle sign there, angle ASB to be 33 degrees. A radio operator at B measures angle ASB to be 33 degrees. So there's like some extra unnecessary information there that says the same thing. So ASB is 33. ASB is 33. A radio operator at B measures ABS to be 52. Find the distance from the ship to each lighthouse. What law are we thinking for this one? Sines or cosines? Why sines? Got that angle side pair, so I can sine 33 over 20 equals sine of 52 over whatever we want to call that side. AS, D, I guess it's side B, but it's the distance from A to S, so I don't know what we want to call it. I guess we'll call it B. As long as everything's labeled, you can call it whatever you want. B sine 33 equals 20 sine 52. 20 sine 52 divided by sine of 33. .937 miles for B. And then for A, do the same thing. We just need this missing angle over here. So 180 minus the 2 that we know. 95. So my picture is not accurate, but that's okay. It's still going to work. So sine 33 over 20 equals sine of 95 over A. It's easy peasy from here on out. Cross multiply. Sine 95 divided by sine of 33. 36.582 miles. So I feel like that one's pretty straightforward. Again, the word problems is just about drawing the picture correct. And then you're probably fine from there. Let's look at number 12. Another parallelogram problem. A large park in the shape of a parallelogram has diagonal paths that meet at a 60-degree angle. So 60 would be the small angle. While I'm thinking about it, that means the big angle would be 120, right? Because they have to add up to be 180 because they're on a line. The diagonal paths are 12 and 20. Find the perimeter and the area. Okay, the diagonal paths are 12 and 20. I think I want to look at like the small triangles and do it that way. So if this whole path is 20, then I'm going to label this side 10. And if this whole path is 12, that half a path, that side of the triangle is going to be 6. I think that's going to be an easier way to go in dealing with this problem. Which means that's 6, and that's 10. Perimeter and area. So perimeter, I'll need the two side links, and I'll multiply them by 2. I need a name for them. It doesn't really matter. I'll call that one A and that one B. And so perimeter will be 2A plus 2B once I figure out what A and B are. And then area, one half 6 times 10 times sine of 60. That's one of the slices. But be careful, yeah, there's not 4 of those slices. How many of those slices are there? There's 2 of those slices. So let's see, let's just call that A1. A2, half of 6 times 10 times sine of 120. And there's 2 of those slices. So the total area is 2 of the left and right triangles and 2 of the up and down triangles. All right, I guess that's kind of jumping back and forth. Maybe we should have stuck to the perimeter first. How am I going to find side A? Sines or cosines? Which one? Do I have an angle side pair in that triangle that I know? I don't, so I'm going to have to use law of cosines. So A and 60 are across from each other. So 6 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 6 times 10 times cosine of 60. That'll tell me what A is. And very similarly for B, B squared equals 6 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 6 times 10 times cosine of 120. That'll tell me what B is. Then I can find the perimeter. So I'm going to stop this problem right there because all that's left is calculator work. Finding A, finding B, adding them together the right way, finding A1 and A2, and adding them together in the right way. All the answers are posted in Schoology, so you can check your answers as you go. Again, reminder that you probably want to have finished this worksheet today, and then the review worksheet you can start working on all over the weekend if you want to. Oops, not worksheet 6, but review worksheet. Again, the plan will be odds for Monday, evens for Tuesday. Space it out however you want, but at a minimum, make sure you've done some of the review worksheet by Tuesday so that you can ask questions and know, where you stand and how things look. All right, I'm done. It's time for you guys to work. Hopefully finish before you leave. You guys at home, hopefully it doesn't take too long. Get you a pre-cal free weekend.